We're giving it some sauce. We're giving it some sauce. Sinikeza uchwepheshe, sinikeza into emnandi, mahotmane. Here we are, siphethe i-artist of the year, artist yasefama, artist elaziwayo. We give it up for ubaba wethu. We give it up for umsuwe wethu. We give it up for ubaba Mbatha. We have Mbatha on the stage. Ubaba wethu Mbatha. We can do some greetings.
Thank you bafethu. Section 10 lona bafethu. Bafethu. Khulani bafethu, ezomhlaba azibhadali, intaba ayibhadali. Fisa into ezinengqondo. Ngekela into engeke zikusebenzele. Thank you baba wami.
Thank you beku baba wethu loyo. Now we are going to down to our straight quiz. Funa ukubona ukuthi ubaba Mbatha njengoba i-artist ucabanga kanjani. Let's go down to our first question bafethu. Uqala kanjalo bafethu. So the first question says, I have 6 eggs. I break 2. I fry 2. I eat 2. How many are left?
2.
So we have 2 eggs left. Okay, that is the answer we get from it. We will come back. So we go to the second one question. So what do we call isishebo in English?
Shebolicious.
We call it ishebolicious. Okay, then we go to the last question. How many provinces do we have in Gauteng?
11. Province, man.
There you have it. Then we are going to give our final score. The first one was 2. And the eggs that you are going to fry. You fry 2. You break 2, you fry 2, then you eat 2. So the final answer is 4. So utsala maqanda ay4 because now I 2 yiwo wahlapulile wawadla. Then we go to the second one. Ishebo in English we call it relish. It's ishebo, not shebolicious. Then the last one. How many provinces do we have in Gauteng? So in Gauteng we don't have any provinces because Gauteng is a province. There you have it, Baba Mbatha. 0 out of 3, but it's not the worst. It's not the worst, but it's the best. Siyabonga Baba Mbatha. We give it a wrap.